Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can maximize a window. So let's create a test underscore maximize window and then pass in driver and logger instance, add top string example of maximize window, then create an instance of page class and pass in driver and logger, then get an open URL and call the page method maximize window that will do the task of maximizing window. So let's run the test. Minus key is method name, and here test started running. Open URL, maximize current window. Thank you.